On-call scheduling versus instant escalation software. Which one is better for DevOps teams? DevOps teams live in a world of uptime, reliability, and rapid response. But when something breaks, what's more critical, an on-call scheduling system or instant escalation software? Most teams get this wrong, and it can cost precious minutes or even hours during outages. On-call scheduling software is all about ensuring the right engineers are available at the right time. It manages rotations, vacation swaps, and shift reminders. For example, a SaaS company might use scheduling software to rotate its on-call team every week, ensuring coverage. This reduces burnout, improves fairness, and makes sure someone is always ready to respond. But scheduling alone doesn't handle the chaos when an incident occurs. Incident escalation software takes the next step. It automatically notifies the right people based on severity, time, or type of issue. If a critical server fails at 2 a.m., escalation software can alert the primary on-call engineer, then escalate to a backup or manager if no response occurs within minutes. It integrates with monitoring tools, creates audit trails, and ensures that no alert slips through the cracks. The surprising truth: scheduling software prevents miscoverage, but escalation software prevents missed incidents. One keeps your team organized, the other keeps your system operational under pressure. Which is better for DevOps teams? For basic coverage, on-call scheduling is essential. But for high-stakes production environments, where downtime has real consequences, incident escalation software is the real game changer. Many teams find the most effective approach is combining both: schedule your engineers effectively, then let escalation software handle urgent alerts automatically. By pairing proper scheduling with intelligent escalation, DevOps teams can reduce downtime, improve response times, and protect both their systems and their sanity. In fast-moving tech environments, minutes matter, and the right tool makes all the difference.